This type of video is going viral on social media. We can generate this type of video using free AI only. First step is, open the website. This is the interface looks like. Click here to join the beta version on Discord. Once you open the Discord, you can choose any animated tag from here. Click on it, and here you can choose any tools you want to create. Second step is, now we will create mix video like this. Now click on Mix Tool and Upload Image. Video reference, choose background, and fine-tune. Wait for few seconds. Here is the generated video. Click here to download it. Now open Runway ML for removing object. Go to Painting option, upload your video and paint the person you want to remove. Now download. Now, the third step is, open CapCut and upload both the downloaded videos and use the chroma for removing green screen and just export it, and here is a final result. Check out my other videos related to AI. This is the another website which I have. Once you open the website and log in, you will get 45 credits to try to generate some videos. Maximum you can generate 3 to 5 second free videos, and paid version you can generate up to 20 second. You can try this tool YouTube video and image to video option. Let's try to create a video. Just upload your video and choose your style and click generate. Wait for a few seconds, and here is the result.